If you click this video, first of all, congratulations. And if you are not addicted to doom scrolling or brain rot, please give me a few minutes and I promise you will not regret it. I'm 21 and I almost ruined my best years of life because of these three mistakes, and these are the three mistakes everyone does in their 20s or 18, 19. And two fixes that change everything. Right now, I go to run every day, I walk out every day, I read 5 to 10 Substack article every day, and I post in Insta and YouTube every day consistently. So there are two fixes that I do and change everything. This is my day 3 of 100k journey, and today I am being completely honest about the mistake I was making at 21 that quietly ruined my life. If you're in your 20s right now or 18, 19, please watch this video till the end and you will not regret it. Okay, so mistake number one, no direction. This is the most common mistake everyone does. I was busy every single day. But busy what? Doom scrolling reels, overthinking, and planning without any action. I have full energy, I have lot of energy, but I have no direction. And remember one thing, energy without direction is just a noise, nothing else. So, this is my first mistake, and this is the most common mistake everyone does. Now, mistakes number two, wrong people around me. I did not notice it first, but slowly their comfort become my comfort, their average become my average. The people around you are either your ceiling or sky, and mine are ceiling. So please fix your circle right now, and your environment is very, very important. And please fix it immediately. I beg you. And number three, waiting to feel ready. Every opportunity I had, I waited. Waited to feel confident, waited to feel prepared, waited to feel perfect. And the moment never come because ready was not a feeling. It never was. And all three habits are fixable, and I will tell you two simple way to fix that. Fix number one, a pen and a notebook. I write my one goal and build my whole day around it. Not 10 goals, not any vision board, just one goal. You need to one paper and one pen, write your one goal and do it. Make the whole day around it, around this goal. Not 10 goals, not so many fancy vision board, nothing else. Every morning, I just ask one question to myself. Does what I am doing today move closer me to that one thing? If the answer is no, I stopped it immediately. No matter what, the stop it, pause there, a full stop. Fix number two, started before I feel ready. I did not fix my circle overnight. I did not become confident overnight. I just started anyway. For example, I don't have an iPhone. Okay, I can wait for an iPhone or a better camera to record this video. But I do it anyway. This one habit changed my life completely. I hope you get it, and please stop these three habits and do these two simple fixes, and trust me, you will see a lot of difference in your life. And I hope you like this video, and if you feel that this video might help you a little, then please subscribe this, and let's grow together.